Did you know the first video game wasn't Pong? It was actually a game called Tennis for Two, created in 1958 by physicist William Higginbotham, using an oscilloscope for the display and an analog computer for calculations. The game simulated a ball bouncing over a net. Players used controllers with dials and buttons to adjust the ball's angle and hit it back. Higginbotham designed it to make science exhibits more engaging, never realizing he'd created a cornerstone of gaming history. It's proof that sometimes the coolest innovations happen when you're just trying to make something fun.